Content Samurai Review. SEO is getting harder by the day. Is there a free traffic generation alternative, you ask? Yes, video marketing is the answer. But you have to do right. You need an easy-to-use video creator tool. And this is here Content Samurai comes in. In this Content Samurai review, I'll be explaining what this tool is and how you can use it to leverage your video marketing endeavors sky high. Number 1. What is Content Samurai? Content Samurai is an online video creator software that helps you create fast, easy and professional-looking videos within minutes. It takes all of the features of other video makers and combines them into one awesome online tool that every internet marketer or small business owner needs. Yeah, you don't need to download or install anything on your computer. With a fun, intuitive, simple and easy-to-use interface and a step-by-step approach, you can take your existing blog posts or pre-written scripts into professional-looking videos within minutes with just a few mouse clicks without absolutely zero editing experience. Number 2. Who is Content Samurai really for? If you have any type of business or presence online, Content Samurai can help you in a multitude of ways. Let's say that you don't, but you have an offline brick-and-mortar business, then Content Samurai can help you get clients that you wouldn't have gotten otherwise. To keep it simple, Content Samurai is for internet marketers, marketers who want to build a list, small business owners, SEO folk, YouTube marketers and anyone who wants more exposure. Number 3. What is Content Samurai pricing? One of the sticking points for those considering Content Samurai is the pricing. It is normally on sale for $97 per month, and that can seem expensive to most. I guess it depends on how much you use it and if it helps you grow your business. Video, done right, should make you way more than $97 per month. But when you are new, that can seem a big deal. Instead of this, you can do one of two things. Take a 7-day free trial. See how easy it is. Make sure you actually use it over the 7 days. If you dislike it, simply cancel the trial. Nothing lost. Get it at a massive discount. If you know where to look, you can get a monthly discount. While this offer comes and goes, at the time of writing this Content Samurai review, you can get the discount by clicking in the description below. Content Samurai overall summary. Nothing is perfect, and Content Samurai is no different. But in the grand scheme of things, it is pretty damn good and allows its users to quickly and easily create videos to use for their marketing. Video marketing done right is very powerful and negates the price issue that may be worrying you. And for those who take marketing seriously, you'll realize how cheap this is for what you get. Check in the description below the free 7-day trial and the discount offer.